Hello, and I'm glad you decided to do this course. Whatever your motivation for doing it, I'm sure you're going to get a lot out of it. I think it was Picasso said that every child is born an artist. The problem is keeping it going within him when he grows up, and that's very true. We have so many demands in our lives as we get older, growing up, earning money, getting a job, learning things, passing exams. Quite often the creative part of us just gets stuffed in the corner because it's thought of as not really useful, which is ridiculous because it can help you in so many ways. Not just by giving you a sense of enjoyment and fun, it can help you solve problems. And anything that makes the world a more beautiful place and makes people more relaxed and still in the moment, I think has got to be good news. You'll find it's very simple, it's very straightforward, just follow through what I'm doing, but you don't have to copy what I'm doing. What you see me do is just a suggestion. This is your time, this is your quiet moment, so get yourself somewhere on your own. This doesn't have to be shown to anybody, this is your personal process. Playing with marks, playing with colour, playing with paint, like you used to. Enjoy it.